Hello there you guys, welcome back to Rollington, tu canal en español. Soy George, and before we get this video started, you guys, please do not forget to like this video, to leave a comment or a question, and to subscribe for more videos, of course. You guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use this phrase, lo que. Lo que is a phrase very common in Spanish. We normally use it to substitute an idea, a concept that we have previously talked about. And I will I will be there in a second just to give you more info on this. But first, I need to let you know that this phrase is one of those phrases many students get confused by, and they don't even know how to put it into words. But lo que, they're going to be like that phrase. Both two words, both elements are going to be together, right? So we cannot separate lo and que, right? So the first thing that we need to know about lo que, and as I was saying, lo que refers to an idea, something that we are not, sure of, but we have, previously talked about. It's not masculine, it's not feminine. That is why it's lo que, right? So lo que is going to be translated as what. What, George? See, what? ¿Por qué? Well, it's going to be translated into what within a sentence, all right? And let's start first with this example. I don't know what he says. I don't know what he says. As we can tell and as we can analyze, we have a what there, and it's not working to ask a question, but rather as a relative pronoun, meaning the information. I don't know what he says. So we don't know that what he says. So we're going to be using what in English, and that what is going to be translated into lo que. No sé lo que él dice. No sé lo que él dice. What I know is blah blah blah. Lo que sé es blah blah blah. They don't know what they're doing. Ellos no saben qué están haciendo. They don't know what they're doing. Ellos no saben lo que están haciendo. So whenever we have what within a sentence, that's going to be represented as lo que. And voila, that's it. You need to be worrying about all the stuff. No. Solo necesitamos usar lo que. And that's it. Okay, you don't need to implement all the phrases. Okay, you can basically just digest all this information and just tell your brain that every time you have what, that's going to be lo que. And that's it, you guys. Hope this video helps you with your journey in the in the language, learning Spanish. And you guys, I hope to see you soon.